Mark Richardson, and I'd like to welcome you to the Zurn ZS880 stainless steel linear shower drain introductory video. This is a really great drain for contractors, for architects, for engineers, for building owners, for homeowners. And I'm going to go through each of the different features that will work for each one of them. So let's start off with the versatility of the drain. This drain comes in length increments of 12 inches going all the way up to 60 inches so that you can find the right drain for your application. If you're a homeowner, you have a small area to drain, that 12-inch will work fine. If you're in healthcare and you have a large shower area that you need to drain, or if you have a healthcare facility or a gym, perfect for that. The other thing which I'll offer is that it comes with 6 different grading options. Right here I wanted to show you, this is what we call our wave grate. It's got a nice wave pattern to that, so architects can pay attention to this. You can meet something to get your aesthetic. This is what we call our Serenity grate. We also have our decorative box grate. We have our basket weave grate. And here we have our linear slotted grate. Again, that one's much more for a healthcare industrial application. And then last, we have our tile inlay grate. For homeowners, let's say you want to have a really nice decorative stripe that runs right down your bathroom. You can install the tile right in the middle of that and inlay the tile right on there. Look fantastic. So, talked about the different decorative options that we can go with. Let's talk a little bit now about the features that make this drain very easy to install. And we'll start at the bottom, which is where you want to go through and fasten this to the floor. This drain comes standard with adjustable feet, and they are easily moved with just a turn of the screw. You can see here I can loosen up that screw, set the foot to exactly the right height, lock it back down again, and my drain is ready for a pour. Not going to move, it's not going to shift. So that's feature number 1. Number 2, I want to talk about the next stage. Your pour's done, you need to go through and put a waterproofing membrane on. This drain comes standard with a membrane attachment flange that goes all the way around the drain. Really great so that you can go through, you can get adhesive that actually sticks to stainless, and away you go. Next up, and I want to mention that each of these grates also has a lockdown here and here, so they're not as easily removable, but then you could take the drain out. So let's say you just got done with your pour, and what you're finding out is that the drain is just a little bit off level. So each drain comes standard with an installation packet, and we have these 2 hex screws in it. This has all the instructions on how to install it. You can easily adjust the level of this drain, and this is a great patented feature that we have here at Zurn, by simply loosening up these screws right here, which lock the drain down, and then once these are loose, underneath that you have 2 jacking screws right here and here. So I can go through on this, and as you can see, as I'm tightening these guys down, you can see that that whole frame is lifting up so that you can actually move this guy to up and down a level. You have about 3/8 of an inch adjustment so that you can actually level your drain. Really simple, really easy. When you're done getting it nice and level right to your tile, lock it straight down, and away you go. Last but not least, I want to talk about that we decided that we want to make this good for long-lasting installation, so we put an integral tiling edge that goes all the way around the frame for the grate. So when you install your tile, you butt it up against there, no chips, no cracks, lasts a long time. So now your drain's in use. You have an engineered water channel, which is built so that it'll go drop right down the center. And then we also have a basket that can go in to catch debris. Finally, I want to talk about connections. It comes standard with a 2-inch no-hub connection. You can also get a 2, 3, and an end outlet connection for these so that you can match it up to whatever your piping system is. And then finally, I want to talk about the fact that you can get it in this beautiful decorative bronze option. So if you have some darker tones that you want to match up in your bathroom, perfect for it. So that concludes the ZS880 stainless steel linear shower drain introductory video. If you have any questions, you can log on to www.zurn.com and search on ZS880 there, or you can call our customer service at 1-855-1-ZURN. Thank you for your time.